The coding block can only be used for HESH series core parts. Take HESH 024 as an example. When we are in the non-locking position of the core, install the coding block. Does not affect its normal installation buckle. When we install the coding block at the core buckle position, at this time the male and female core parts, normal buckling cannot be performed. This also achieves the purpose of preventing wrong insertion. So when choosing a coding block, arrange according to the installation diagram. There are 6 combinations. Next, we introduce the standard coding pin. When the core has not yet been installed in the housing, first remove the original fixing screws. Then install the coding pin in the fixing screw position. Core installed in the shell. Screw locking. Visible. The location where the coding pin is installed protrudes to a certain height. If only one end of the core is equipped with a coding pin, does not affect its normal buckle. When the buckle positions are all equipped with coding pins, will interfere, unable to buckle. The HM module special coding pin is used for pneumatic modular series. Use this series of coding pins. There are also 6 combinations of installation rules. Next, we will introduce the coding pin with guide hole. The guide hole refers to the fact that this coding pin has male and female. When the coding pins are all male or female, it cannot be used normally. When the upper shell is equipped with a male code, when the base is equipped with a female code, the male and female core parts can be buckled normally. When we put the upper shell core, install a male code pin, 1 female coding pin. Install 2 female coding pins on the base core. At this time, the buckle cannot be normal because the 2 female coding pins interfere with each other. Coding pin with guide hole. The installation rules can be arranged in up to 16 combinations.